Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's get started. But meanwhile, do subscribe my channel and like this video. As now many people have started using YouTube, creating their own channel to upload shorts, which is very popular nowadays, videos and video blogs, and are also doing live streaming. But due to limited knowledge, sometimes they also face issues and by mistake or unknowingly block their own friends and subscribers. Don't worry, I have created this video to help you out from such problems. Open any browser on your cell phone or computer to access your YouTube channel. Open private browser in incognito mode only. Type youtube.com and press enter to open the website. Log into your YouTube with your credentials, that is email ID and password. Once logged in, your DP will showcase on the top right corner of screen. Click on your DP to open options to edit your YouTube channel, settings and other options. Click on YouTube Studio to explore settings options on your YouTube channel. You can also open Studio directly by typing studio.youtube.com in your private browser. Ensure to open web version only to make the required changes of settings in your YouTube channel. You can explore your channel's dashboard on the side panel of the screen for many options. Scroll down to view setting options. It is available on the left bottom corner of the side panel. After clicking on setting, a pop-up window will open with many options of settings for your channel. Click on community moderation to hide or unhide user in your channel and live streamings. Click on advanced filters and scroll down to add or remove users from hidden users and click on save button. Ta-da! Now your friends and subscribers can send you messages and comments again like earlier they used to do. If you have watched this video yet, you have learned a new thing which no one is talking about but being faced by many. My friend, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe and use the comment box to suggest what are the issues which you are facing so that I can create further learning videos for you, my friend, so that you can learn and you can explore many options, settings to benefit yourself and your channel and grow furthermore in a quick, easy and learning method. Let's do learn together. We'll meet again. Till then, stay healthy and happy.